Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to stop Grok from remembering conversation. So Grok can use memories from your previous chats to provide you personalized response. However, if you prefer more privacy and don't want Grok to remember details from your conversation, then first open Grok app on your device. After this, click on two horizontal line at top left corner of the screen and then click on settings icon from bottom. And under data and information, click on data controls and here find the option personalize with memories and just disable the toggle right to it. And that's it. After disabling, Grok will stop saving details from your future conversation. Also keep in mind that turning off this feature may make Grok responses less personalized since it won't be able to access your previous conversation. So that's it. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.